Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the easiest way to change your address from your page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the brand new update. If you've got a business or a fan page, keeping your contact info current is super important, so your followers always know where to find you. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're in, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down will appear. From there, navigate to your page. Simply click the page you want to update, and you'll be taken straight to its main view. On your page, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled About. Click it to enter your page's About section. This is where all your page information sits, from your bio to your contact details. Inside the About section, you'll see a section labeled Contact and Basic Info. Click to expand this. Here, you'll find various details, including your current address. Now, look for your address. Next to it, there's a small icon with 3 dots. That's the More icon. Click on it, and you'll see an option pop up that says Edit Address. Choose Edit Address to open up a new window. Here, you can make any adjustments needed, whether it's updating your suite number, street, city, or even a whole new address entirely. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate, since this is what your audience and potential customers will see. Once you've entered the new information, glance over your changes to double-check for typos or missing details. When you're happy with the update, click the Save button at the bottom. And that's it. Your page's address is now up to date with the latest information. Keeping your page details accurate helps your audience stay connected and makes it easier for people to reach out or visit you in person. Thanks for tuning in.